Hello, my name is Janice Bevel, and this is my Scient web-based assignment. The assignment I chose to use is parts of a plant, and this can be used for K through second grade. So the two assignments that I chose to use that can be used for formal and informal assessment is basically Generation Genius. And if I create a hyperlink here, I'm sorry, bear with me one moment. And it is good that students see that technology is something that we all need to use. Is very good. So here's one of the assignments that would be given to the students. It's with Generation Genius, and it's basically a brief lesson. This can be used as a rotation center to help students with understanding the information that you have presented to the class as a whole or in small group. And they would click play, and it will pull up basically a 10-minute lesson that gives definition of what a flower, fruit is, real life, as well as with some animation and cartoons and songs and sing along. When you're finished with that assignment, we're going to stop right here. It will go down towards the end where I can either do an online quiz or an exit ticket, depending if I'm short or limited to time. And that can be used for my data or for a formal assessment. Maybe for an informal assessment as well, another link that students would be privy to would be with WordWall. And I like this because it's not just so much of them sitting and listening to information, but they can actually go in and show the application of what they learned. And I would hit start, and right here it has little tabs that students can go to, and they can drag the tab to the different icons that it will belong to, and the students will be able to show what they know about parts of a plant, and they can submit it for an answer, and it generates how many they got correct and how many they got wrong in real-time effort, and it lets you know that the game is complete. And if need be, they can do flashcard as well as flip tab, and students' names are added, and it lets them know who's on the leaderboard. That's if you want to make it like a game, but it lets them know who's doing well or who's not doing well. And if I go back to my lesson, another one that can be used, and this one is with IXL, and this could be used for an assessment as a formal assessment, and this one just generates 4 questions, and this can be used for my higher groups for enrichment. And it starts, and it's more worded, more vocabulary, but it also has a help aid where the information can be read to the students as well as the question, and it gives a hint, and the students can submit their answer, and it lets me know how they're doing, and it generates to the next one. And then at the end, it lets me know how students are doing, if there needs to be a private tutorial, or if I need to create more activities for that student. Thank you. So those are some of my web-based assignments that I would give for my science project. Thank you for listening.